So when it gets dark out and all the chickens go in, we put them away and close their door, and I have a jug full of water for their water feeder and the egg basket to collect the eggs. Because we collect the eggs at night, and right now it's raining, and it's like around 8 o'clock right now. But in the summer normally they stay, because it takes way longer to get dark. In there. And there's one egg in here. It takes a chicken 25 hours to make an egg, which is why there's only 6 right now, but you know, they'll probably lay more later tonight. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So they've all been counted, they have their heat lamp on, and they have water, and they have plenty of food. There we go. And that's pretty much what we do every night. So it is 7:30 in the morning, and we normally let the birds out at 7 in the summer, but in like the spring and winter, we wait a little bit longer because it's much cooler than in the summer. And I have with me more water for them and the egg basket, because hopefully there's more eggs than there was last night. Good morning, birdies. Yes, we do have some more eggies. And when this gets wet, it gets all mushy and then it's no good. So I'll just give them some here that they will definitely eat, and then I'll put most of it in the barn. So that's pretty much what we do for the chickens every morning and evening. We get them water and collect eggs, and if they need it, we give them fresh food. And in a couple videos ago, I cleaned out the barn, which we do every 1 to 2 weeks. But you know, that's not going to be in this video, I don't think. But I will, if you click the iCard here, I will put a link to that video if you would like to watch it.